Good afternoon, everyone. Ang topic ko kasi is the concept of social work ay social welfare. What is social welfare? According to Gertrude Wilson, it is a characterized social welfare as an organized concern of all people for all people. According naman kay Walter Friedlander, defines it is the organized system of social services in institutions designed to aid individuals and groups to attain satisfying standard of life and health. And according to Elizabeth, we can then social welfare includes those laws, programs, benefits, and services which assure or strengthen provision for meeting social needs recognized as basic to the well-being of the population and the better functioning of the social order. May dalawang views ang social welfare. Ito ay number one is residual view. Residual and institutional view. Ang galing nyo naman ka. Why are needs not met by the society? Even though there are various agencies that really strive harder to respond to the needs of the society, there are some needs that cannot be met due to some social stratifiers, such as class, gender, ability, disability, educational attainment, and geographic location. However, society finds ways in order to respond to those unmet needs problems through following: individual and groups efforts, measures, societal institutions, and social agencies. What is goals of social welfare? Number one is humanitarian and social justice. Number two is social control goal. And number three is economic development goal. Needs versus problem. Need is a condition or situational in which something necessary or desirable is required or wanted to meet. Yung problem naman is, it is those as manifest need as person-centered, as universal and yet singular, as a cause of consequences, as an institutional lack or dysfunction in the society. Social welfare services. It is refers to the program, services, and other activities provided under the various to concretely answer the needs and problems of the members of the society. Social welfare agencies. It is the instruction framework within which administrative tasks carried out. It is an instrument of society established through government or voluntary efforts to achieve social goals. May tatlong types of social welfare. Isa ay governmental or public agencies, yung sa government. Private or voluntary agencies, ito para siguro yung mga NGO. Tapos semi-private, yung mga foundation siguro to. Some private social welfare agencies and non-government organization, example is the Philippine Business or Social Progress, the SOS Children's Village, the Women's Christ Center. Yan po yung mga example ng NGO. Overview, social research work. Relevance of research in social work. The major objectives of social work research is to search for answers to questions raised regarding the interventions or practice effectiveness. In other words, the social work research is attempt to provide knowledge about what intervention or treatments. Yung tulad ng ginagawa natin, nag-research muna tayo bago tayo magkakandak ng intervention. Example of steps to complete a research project. One is select a topic, formulate a thesis statement, choose the types of analysis, research and write a literature review, and formulate the research question. And the last is types of research and instrument. Interview, observation, and survey. Interview is the interaction where verbal, face-to-face, or face-to-face questions. Observation, observe mo yung what the people do. And survey, the research. Yun lang po. Thank you.